What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. You don't know you're watching Life with MTK. I know I've been MIA for a while, guys. I'm sorry about that, but I'm so excited to be back. I've decided to do a Q&A video for you guys. I'm going to do mukbang style, so I will be eating salad wrap and fries. Yeah, I got this from a restaurant in Mandeville Midway Mall. Yeah, so this is what I will be having while I'm answering you all questions. So this is what it looks like. It is a fish salad wrap and fries and my grape tropicana to wash it down. Yeah, so I have some questions on my phone here. Let's see. So guys, please remember to subscribe, hit the post notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and leave your comments down below. Okay? Yeah. All right. Let's taste this salad wrap. Not bad. Got a little bit saggy. I had it here for a little while. Alright, so first question is, what's your birthday? Yeah, my birthday is March 2nd. I not tell you the year. You know if you know my age? Alright, March 2nd, 1991. So that's my birthday. Another question. How tall are you? I am a shorty. For who know me, I am short. I am 4 feet 10 inches. 4 feet 10 inches. What's your profession? I am a cosmetologist specialized in hairdressing. So I fix up the people them here nice and neat too. Make sure no say all my clients can comment about that. Yeah. What's your favorite meal? My favorite meal, I love fish. So my favorite meal is steamed fish with a lot of okra. Yeah, I love a lot of okra in my steamed fish. So that is my favorite meal, steamed fish and okra. If you could go to anywhere in Jamaica, where would you go? There is so much places in Jamaica that I have never been to. But I would like to visit that place out in the ocean. I think it's called Pelican. Maybe Pelican Bar, I think, something like that. Yeah, I would like to visit that place, even though I am what is it again? I have a water phobia. Yes. I don't like out in the ocean, but I would like to visit Pelican out in the ocean. Next question. What is your favorite color? So, I have more than one favorite color. I have like 3 favorite colors. My favorite colors are aqua, peach, and sky blue. Yeah. What makes you the person you are today? So, I'm coming from a humble background. I know what it is like to be hungry and I can't find food to eat. I know what it is like to have your kids and they are saying, "Mommy, I am hungry," and you have nothing to give them to eat at the moment. Yeah. So the humble background that I'm coming from, friends and family around me that give me encouragement along the way, my parents, my children. Yeah, those are some of the aspects that make me who I am today, a humble, grateful, and ambitious person. Yeah. Do you have any regrets in life? Yeah. I have regrets, yes. I have done things that I am not so proud of, things that I think back and say, wow, I shouldn't have done things like these, but I learned from my regrets. I learned from the things that I have done that I am not proud of. Yeah, I've learned from those things, and I am still not perfect, so I guess I might make more mistakes going along. Yeah, but I have had some regrets. Are you an adventurous person? Just a little bit, not very much. Not very much adventurous. I would do some little things, not like them white people there who very adventurous and they would go out and do stuff that no, I'm not that adventurous. Just a teeny little bit. I've never been on a zip line, but I think I would try going on one. Thinking about it gives me the shivers. Alright. What keeps you going on a day-to-day basis? So, alright, my children. Well, first and foremost, the God that is above keep me going, waking me up in the morning. Yeah, him have in everything when me do. Yeah, so knowing that I have God with me each and every day, knowing that is my shepherd, leading me and directing me. Yeah, I'm grateful for that, and having that in my head every day, waking up. I wake up and I say thank you, Father, for another day. Guide and protect me along this wonderful day that you have created, and him keep on carry me, him keep on protect me, him keep on answer my prayers. Yeah, that is a very important aspect of my life. He is a very important aspect of my life that keeps me going every day. My kids, having them, knowing that I have to care for them, I have to do what it takes to make them happy. That keeps me going as well. And YouTube, Netflix, going to work, see my co-workers, we chat, we laugh, and have a good day, do little work, make little money. Yeah, that's what keeps me going. Let me keep on and wet up my clothes. My gosh, guys, I'm clumsy. Me eat very clumsy and messy. Oh my, this doesn't look good. Okay, so the next question is, what is your shoe size? Well, I am a shorty, I am small, so a small shoes is expected. My shoe size is 5.5 and 6. If it's gonna be like a slippers or so, it would be 6, and a shoes would be 5.5. Do you plan on having another child? Oh. Well, I don't plan on having another child. If I should have a husband, which I am not married yet, but if I should have a husband that wants another child, well, yeah, I would give my husband another child, but it is not something that's in my head right now, planning. No. It's not a priority. So it is only if I get married and my husband needs a child from me, then I would go ahead. If the Lord says I should have another one, that is. What's your favorite non-gospel song? Where I'm Coming From by Lila Ike. That's my favorite non-gospel song. I love that song. How many siblings do you have? I have 3 sisters and 3 brothers left. I had 4 brothers. Wait. No, I had 5 brothers, but I have 4 left because one of them passed away, and I have 3 sisters. Yeah. Who is your favorite person? My favorite person. I don't know, but one of my brother, I would say is my favorite person. I don't know why. I cannot explain it. He was born before me. I follow him. I don't know how to explain it, but he's my favorite person. We don't even reason about nothing. We don't talk about things. I don't know. I just have a special spot for him. I don't know. He's my favorite person. How many kids do you have? I have 2 kids. 1 boy and 1 girl. So guys, it seems like that is it. The questions are done. My food is only halfway. Anybody who knows me knows that I eat very slow. And I am very picky. So, the questions them finish and the food is not done. Okay? Please remember, hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and leave your comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.